Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to redeem gift card on iPhone. To redeem gift card on iPhone, it's very simple and very basic to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to your app store. You want to open up your app store. So let's open up my app store now. So let's open up this. So once you open up your app store, I want you to check the top right corner. You're going to see your profile over there. So I want you to tap on your profile at the top right corner. Once you tap on your profile at the top right corner, it's going to take you to this page. On this page, if you look at the middle here, you are going to see where it says redeem gift card or code. I want you to tap on that redeem gift card. So once you tap on that redeem gift card, you wait for it to actually load up for you. It's loading now, so let's wait for that to actually load up. Once it loads up, you just want to use the camera or you enter the code manually. So once you enter the code manually, then you want to tap on redeem and the gift card will be redeemed successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually redeem gift card on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.